In this video, I'll show you how to edit Facebook posts. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? I can just come on here and post something. I can just be like, what's good, friends? Right? I'm gonna click on the next. I'm gonna post this, right? So you can see it's currently posting. So yeah, once this has posted, and if for any reasons you would love to edit this Facebook post, right, just click on these three dotted icons right here. You're gonna see the edit post option. So this post is what's good, friends, right? So let me see, I can just edit it. I can come on here and put what's up, right? What's up, friends? It won't be the what's good, friends again, to be what's up, friends. So I'll click on the save, right? So right now you can see I just edited this post from what's good, friends to what's up, friends, right? So it's very easy. This is how you can edit Facebook posts. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next